Hello everyone. Today we are replacing the 2022 Tesla Model Y Hepa cabin filter. So this is an aftermarket by Vion Hepa Plus charcoal cabin filter. So in the box, this is an envelope which I believe is the instruction and the two Hepa filters. Now Model Y and 3 they require two filters. The second filter was a bit of a challenge getting out since I only have my left hand available. Okay, I got the second filter out, and so they provided some tools. One being the fastener remover and the 90-degree angle tools to unscrew the cover of the Hepa filters. So with the envelope that was in the box, it had the quality control paperwork and the instructions. Here we are at the footwell area of the front passenger. I'm pointing out the fasteners that will need to be removed to get access to the filters. So let's turn up the speed here. So pulling down the panel, we can see the two connectors will need to be snapped apart. The speaker connector and the footwell light connector. The side panel will need to be removed to expose the Hepa filter cover. And now the panel is removed. The filters are in this area. Now there are unused space at the bottom. Must have a reason why. Right there is the location we're targeting. I'm using the tools they provided. It works. And of course, manual labor takes more time than I'd prefer. So let's use a power tool. The cover is off, so let's take a look at the filters. Again, there are two filters, one on top and the other on the bottom. Each filters come with a tab at the top facing outward. Pulling the tab helps remove each filter. Now on the screen, the filters might look okay to you, but Tesla recommends replacing the filters at 20,000 miles or every 2 years. And for our Model Y, during this hot weather in California 2024, every time the AC is on, the smell of wet socks can be smelled in the cabin area. Here we are just trying to blow out anything left inside the filters compartment. Unwrapping the Vion cabin Hepa filter. Install the new two filters in the same position as the originals, and of course reading the direction on the new filters themselves. And now take notice on the filter cover's top plastic tab that needs to be inserted properly before closing up the cover with the screw. Here, everything is in reverse order, placing back all panels and the two wire connectors.